A garage door or automatic gate that won't open or close properly can be caused by several common issues. Broken springs often prevent the door from lifting because they carry most of the door's weight. Misaligned or blocked safety sensors may stop the door from closing to prevent accidents. Damaged tracks, worn rollers, or broken cables can cause the door to move unevenly or get stuck. Sometimes the opener motor runs, but the door does not move due to mechanical or electrical problems. A professional inspection can quickly identify the issue and restore safe, reliable operation.